Guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. We are going in Walgreens to do our Sunday deals. I have some great deals on some Lay's, gift cards, dish detergent, toothpaste. Let's go. This is going to be hot this week. Okay, I'm going to grab 6 bags of chips. They are buy one get one free, and it's a $3 off 5 coupon. So grab 6 bags of chips. And I think it's some barbecue right here. I grabbed the barbecue because I do not want to get all of the same plain chips. And the barbecue. And then let me scan it for you guys so you can see where the deal is at. Okay, and then you see the coupon, buy one get one free. And you need to do, then you get $3 off of, let's see what it tell you. You get $3 off of the chips. Frito-Lay. So you want to buy 6 bags of those, okay? Now guys, we are off to the gift cards. We're gonna grab some Taco Bell gift cards. Thank God my kids eat these. They Taco Bell. So I grabbed 2 Taco Bell gift cards. You buy 2 Taco Bell gift cards, you get a $10 gift card. Walgreens card free. So grab those, but everything that's included is the Taco Bell cards, the Uber Eats cards, the Uber card, the Fantastics cards, and the PlayStation cards. Those are all included in this deal. Now, if I could have found a cheaper PlayStation card, I would have got it. They don't have one, so I'm not gonna get it. And I'm only going with what's on the picture. See, that's the card. There it is right there. So buy 2. Get one $10 Walgreens gift card, and those are the cards you get. You get a Cinemark also. So far, we have the 6 bags of chips. That's buy one get one free. We're gonna get 6 bags because you get $3 off of 5 bags. And then we're gonna grab the 2 gift cards, Taco Bell, and get a free $10 gift card. So let's go on to our next deal. Gift cards, register rewards, rolling back and forth, guys. Okay, so you guys know I already be going somewhere else to get supplies. Cause look, no game. I want to buy the 2 game, and then you get a $1 register reward back. So I'm not gonna get that, but you can do the 2 the Don buy 2 at $124 each. Then you get a $1 register reward back. So I'm gonna do this, and I am gonna go to another Walgreens, so you'll see that also. I'm gonna scan and let you see. Of course, mine is not pulling up. That's what makes me so mad. But look in the newspaper. It's in the newspaper, guys. Okay, let's go on to our next deal. Guys, I didn't even notice that this was still rolling. Buy one at $7.49, get 2 free. It's going into July 29th. That's a great deal. If you can grab it, get it. Okay, so I'm gonna get the Crest Vivid manual toothbrushes at $3. And you see they have 2 more offers. When we go down, I have a $1 off coupon and $2 off coupon. Go further down and you buy 3 of those and you earn $4 Walgreens cash. So $369 is gonna take $3 off. So I'm gonna pay $6 for all 3, and then I'm gonna get $4 Walgreens cash, paying $2 for 3 toothbrushes. So that's our next register reward. That's our next Walgreens cash. Do not use Walgreens cash with this. You could use a register reward, but do not use Walgreens cash. So sorry about that, guys. Okay, so I have a $1 register reward that's going to expire that I'm going to use, and then I have a 20% off $10 or more purchase I'm going to use, and then I have spend $10 or more, get $5 Walgreens cash that I'm going to use. Now, since this is giving me back Walgreens cash, I'm going to use this $1 register reward, and I'm going to use all of these, okay, on this whole deal right here. With these 2 and these chips, I'm up to $10. I'm going to use all of that. The next deal I'm going to do is these Crest 3D white. I'm going to grab 3 of these. Now listen, guys, I'm going to pay for these separate. I'm not paying for these out of the same round, because if I do, I won't get everything I'm supposed to get, which is my Walgreens cash, okay? So I'm going to scan it and show you exactly what happened. So I scanned it, and once I scanned it, there you go with the $4 off. It said it has 2 more offers. When I look at the other 2 offers, look at all the coupons I got. So I punched a $2 coupon because that's gonna take $2 off of for if I buy 2, which would tell you that deal. I can't get it to go. So see, that's what it tells you. I need to buy 2. Then I did the $1 one, and it's telling me to buy 1. So I'm gonna have $3 off again. I'm gonna pay out of pocket and get $4 Walgreens cash. Okay, make sure that they are 2.7 ounces or more. All right, so I'm gonna probably do that deal one more time. The next deal we're gonna do is the Old Spice Deep Sea. They say 2 for $13, but you have to buy 3. If you buy 3, you receive a $5 registered reward. That means it's gonna print out. It is also a coupon for $5 off of 3. So I'm gonna earn a registered reward. So guess what? I'm gonna use Walgreens cash to pay for this. So, and I'm also gonna do this deal separately so I can use one of my 5 off 10. So I'm gonna do a double doozy. I might not use Walgreens cash because I'm gonna get cash back. I will be doing separate deals so you can see exactly what I did. We'll get our pop for the holiday. Okay, so now I will grab my pop. That's 3 for $11. Look for the ones that say $8.99. Those are included in that deal. Right here, I'm gonna use Walgreens cash to pay for. But guys, I will be making multiple deals. So look at this first haul because we're gonna go somewhere else and look for the game. Okay guys, second Walgreens. We're gonna see if we could get some gain, and I'm gonna grab some more chips out of here if I can. Okay guys, as you can see, no gain. They don't have any gain. Nope, the power gains is not here. Okay, the gain deal is still not here, but these are here, so I'm going to grab my Q-tips. Remember when I told you they are 2 for $5? Grab 3 and you get a $3 register reward. This is what I'm grabbing up in here today. I'm going to actually use a register reward to pay for this. When I scan it, here it is, 2 for $5. Buy 3, get a $3 Walgreens cash. I'm gonna grab 6 of them. That's what I'm gonna do. So $3 each for each one of those back. And I'm gonna do the BOGO seal for the Lay's buy 1 get 1 free. Remember, you have to get 6 bags. So I'm gonna grab 2 deals, 2 of the honey barbecue, 1 of the southern sweets, 1 of the flaming hot, and 1 of the cheddar and sour cream. So we're going to get these. Okay. So actually what I ended with 12 bags of chips. I'm going to have $3 in register reward for each pack of these that I bought. I'm going to use Walgreens cash to pay for this and Walgreens cash to pay for this. Not Walgreens cash, register rewards that I have because it's going to give me back Walgreens cash. There you go. But no gain. The gain deal is ate up. I didn't get in here in time, and I'm surprised because I have literally been out all morning. Okay guys, we are back from Walgreens. As you can see, I frequented 3 Walgreens and I still did not find gain. But that's okay because we got Don in the place of. So let's start where our obvious, the best deals it started at for this week. So we got gain, register rewards, Don register rewards, and gift cards flowing everywhere. This was one of a very good deal. So let's go through. We got the Lay's potato chips, buy 6. They are buy 1 get 1 free. It's a $3 off 5. So you need to buy the 6th one to even it out with. Listen, I use register rewards, guys, to pay that with. Subtotal 10 in rewards. So before that, I paid $4.37. That's for chips. Every time I buy chips, that's what I did. Also, this is my birthday month. Happy birthday to me. They gave me this that I could use whenever I shop in July. So I'll just hold on to that. Okay. Now, this was a old register reward that I told you about on that last Walgreens video where I said that the rewards was printing like crazy. Go back to that video. Buy 3 of these. They must be this. 2 for $5, and then you buy a 3rd one to take you to $7.50. Use Walgreens cash to pay it. Okay, guys, Excuse my puppies, they barking like crazy. So you buy 3 of these, then you earn $3 in Walgreens cash. $3. I did that twice, so that's $6 right there. Then we're gonna go to these where you saw all the delicious coupons that I had for these. You earn $4 on the Oral-B and $1 for the Dawn. This printed out to me right here. Spend 10. Now let me tell you about this coupon right here, this booster. It has to be on something that's not on sale. That's where the 20% will work at. Other than that, it does not work, okay? Then, so that would go with that. Let's go to the Crest Oral-B. You saw all the coupons I had, and those were fantastic. Crest, do not use any Walgreens cash. Now, I didn't because I had a booster, and I wanted to get the booster for it, so that's why I did not use it, okay? So for the Crest, you get a $4 off coupon. I got, again, these is printing off like crazy, but one of them I couldn't use. These two I couldn't use. So that's the one that printed off for me with the $4, okay? Then we did the Old Spice deal, which was buy 3, get a $5 register reward. So those were $9 together. Then we got 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. Then we have now $6 in Walgreens cash. The next deal I did was the soda, which was 3 12 packs for $11. I actually used Walgreens cash, so I paid $1.99 out of pocket for all 3. That's what your Walgreens cash is for. Pay down the stuff that's not giving you coupon. Now the next deal, which haven't been out in a long time, and it's one of our deals that we should start frequenting again. Hopefully they keep doing it for us. Usually when college start getting ready to pop back up, they start putting gift cards out. These are great to get for kids who have gift card, who's going off to college. So I grabbed a Taco Bell card. At least they can eat if they don't have any food. And then if they need something from Walgreens, here's a $10 card. These were $15 a piece. Buy 2 of those, you'll get this $10 Walgreens card. Make sure these little printouts come out because that's the proof that you've done it, okay? Do not use Walgreens cash, because if you do, it won't work. It won't give you this because this is a Walgreens cash. This is a Walgreens gift card. On top of that, it printed me out, spend $40, and then I get $10 off. $10 Walgreens cash. So, and it gave me one of these crazy things. So, all together, we got $10 Walgreens cash, $3 Walgreens cash, $3 Walgreens cash. And on here, yes, I had a booster. It gave me $5 Walgreens cash. So we had 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21. $21 on Walgreens cash and 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14 in register rewards all together, plus our boosters. So this deal, guys, is one of the good ones. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, share this channel. Bye.